Yo, what's up, boys? Welcome back to another video where today I'll be showing you how to install redux, however you say it. Be honest, I don't know how to say it. So, it's one of the top tier graphics mods. It will take down about 10-20 FPS. I just want to show you how to do this because I want to make y'all's game look good. So, I already have it downloaded. Don't worry about any of my other files, to be honest. So here it is, redux 45M. It will be in the description below. Um, as you know, I do have a project open. That's why I have these packs all over my screen and stuff. I do have a server trying to get up. It's GRP Ghost Roleplay. I mean, the name doesn't really match anything, but it's different. So that's why I'm doing it. So first thing you're gonna need to do is go to Steam. You're gonna wanna find GTA, right click on it, go to manage, browse local files. Alright, so I have LSPDFR and stuff, don't worry about it. So you're gonna go to x64, you're gonna see this. Now you're gonna go to x64, you're just gonna drag these files right here. I already have them downloaded, but I will replace them again. This most likely already gonna be there. For me it was, so yes. You can go ahead and X out of your GTA 5 directory because you don't need it anymore. You're going to go ahead and right click on 5M. Go to open file location. Don't worry about this. 5M application data. Citizen. Common. Data. I have extra stuff for my light mods to make my light looks better. There will be Visual V and Radiance. You'll go learn how to install that to make your game look exactly like mine. It'll come with all this extra stuff, but we don't need to worry about any of this. So you're just gonna drag and drop. It's basically all you gotta do here. As you can see, it's over. This is mixed with Visual V, by the way. I have Visual V and this installed, so y'all can learn how to install Visual V in my first video on my channel. So you can go and X out everything. Let's go and open your application. You're starting up 5M. It might tell you to download something, I'm not sure, because I have to download stuff from the Citizens folder. I do not have Reshade, it just doesn't uninstall for some reason. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into RSM because I can mess with the time. So just give it a minute to join, and I'll show you what this looks like. In my opinion, this is just right below NVE, and I feel like NVR and NVE are just not the same. It's just redux, whatever the frick you say it, is lining up with NVE. It's like say NVE is a 10, I'm gonna say this is a 9.99. I'm not even joking. This is really good. It's just not fully good, I guess you could say. It doesn't have as much textures, I guess you could say. It doesn't have as much texture in 3D, but it's very close. I just keep on saying this because I'm gonna be honest, this just blows my mind how good it is. If y'all need me to install Reshade, I can install Reshade for you. I can show you how to do it. Don't worry, I got you. I actually am the first person on YouTube. I'm gonna be honest, I'm the first person on YouTube ever to make an English version one of these, because I don't know, nobody seems to want to do this. Alright, we're just gonna go to override time. Let's go early morning. See, I'm gonna be honest, the water doesn't look as good as you can see. This is what I'm talking about. See, it doesn't have as much texture in the water, but NVE has really good textures. But I'm gonna be honest, it's beautiful. By the way, this is mixed with NVE. I mean, not NVE. This is mixed with Visual V. So go to my first video and learn how to install Visual V. It looks really nice, as you can tell. It looks about like Visual V. It's just everything is just darker, and that's what I like about it. And the nights are a little better. So yeah, we can go ahead and check out rain for y'all. Total blackout. Okay. Extra sunny, clear. smoke, foggy, cloudy, overcast, clearing, thunder, rainy, blizzard, snow, light snow, Xmas snow. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna I don't really like it. I don't like any graphics mod during the snow. Makes it look. It's just bad. Halloween. Remove all clouds. All right. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna leave it up to here because I just love the 4K thunder. Looks really nice. My game's like stuttery and all. It's not your side. It's kind of on my side. I don't know. Every time I record with OBS, it just stutters. So I think it looks very nice. Y'all should definitely install it. There's a way for you to install it without Visual V as well. It looks just as good. It's just not as realistic. But I recommend showing redux first with no Visual V because Visual V takes quite a bit of FPS on. So if you're looking for performance, then I wouldn't download Visual V as long with redux. But if you're not looking for performance, yeah, go ahead and do it. Like me, I don't really care. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Remember to like, subscribe, go check out my Twitch, Junior Evans RP. I do have my face come up in there, but I don't really show my face on YouTube because, you know, YouTube just, I don't know why, I just don't like it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and fall for you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.